issues led to crude oil prices gaining 8.5% in July, and this week it's up nearly 4% again. Where do you see prices headed?
Well, prices did go up because the violence in Egypt raised concerns about possible disruptions to shipping in the Suez Canal. But prices also went up because of crude export disruptions from Libya, because there were protests that prevented loadings at tankers at several terminals in Libya. So all that combined with signs of some improvement in the US economy and also a patchy recovery in the Eurozone, I think will keep prices well supported, and we could see Brent well above 110 in the fourth quarter if it's indications of a cold northern hemisphere winter.
U.S. inventories have seen a decline to the lowest since January. What is the supply-demand scenario you're reading into from the developed world?
Yeah, the U.S. crude stocks have depleted, and partly because of higher runs at U.S. refineries. What we're seeing is that oil demand growth has actually tilted back towards the industrialized economies as GDP growth in India and China slows. Oil demand in the Atlantic Basin actually showed the first quarterly increase in 2 years because of strong diesel sales, and also because heating oil consumers were restocking after a prolonged northern hemisphere winter.
With the Fed tapering from September becoming a reality, do you see an impact of that on the crude prices?
Well, the Federal Reserve, the tapering of the US stimulus is expected to strengthen US dollar, and that could weaken the oil prices, just basically because a stronger dollar will make oil more expensive for buyers with weaker currencies. So the fear is that this could dampen oil demand and may put downward pressure on oil prices. But the market also seems to have factored in the tapering of the US stimulus. So if when it happens, the impact may not be that drastic, I think.